Let's make a Malai burger like this. Very juicy. If you like a burger, you can try like this, or if you like an appetizer, just do the chicken. How it will be? It will be perfect recipe. So make sure you try it and subscribe my channel. Let's see the whole video. Let's make a kebab first. The Malai kebab, the king of Mughal, and a burger out of it. I'm using here boneless chicken. Thighs are the best, but I'm using a mixed one. Whichever you have, you can use. Squeeze some lemon juice. There's some fennel powder. A little bit of black salt to enhance the flavor. The ginger garlic paste. Some freshly crushed black peppers. And some salt to taste. Combine well. And keep it aside. At least for half an hour. If you can keep it more, it will be great. Let's make a Malai marination. Onto a blender, add some cilantro chopped, rough chopped, some mint leaves, some Hank yogurts, cream cheese, green chili, and some cream. Cover it and blend into a fine paste like this. Creamy. Add that creamy marination to the chicken. Little bit of methi leaves and combine well. And rest for 2 hours. If you can keep it more, it will be great. Preheat the oven at 450 degrees centigrade. Place the chicken on a parchment lined tray. Add some diced butters on the top to keep it soft and get a nice color. And cook for 12 minutes. As soon as it's got 12 minutes, put into broil on a high for just 3 minutes to get a nice color on the top and that rich smoky texture. The appetizer, the Malai chicken, is ready. You can have like this as an appetizer or do it this way too. Let's make a burger. To make a salad, we need sliced onions, cucumbers, carrot juliennes, and some chili to enhance the flavor. Drizzle some lemon juice and salt to taste and cracked black peppers. I'm using a milk bun. Recipe is there on the description box. Cut into 2. Apply some clarified butter to enhance the flavor and toast the bun on a hot pan. Golden and crispy color. Onto the bun, squeeze some mayonnaise and spread it like this. Add the Malai chicken on top of the mayonnaise. Mix the fresh salad we just made. Place the salad on top of the chicken. Same as like this. Add some fresh sprigs of cilantro covered with the butter. The big Malai. It's ready. Enjoy the big Malai chicken burger. The Malai chicken burger is ready. Let's try it. A big bite, but so juicy. The Malai chicken just melts in your mouth. And the crispness from the vegetable, so good. So, when you eat, how you eat? Enjoy and eat. And if you like this recipe, please try it. And if you like it, share it and comment it and subscribe my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. Bye.